Okay, this is another quarter of the veggie garden. Each quarter is 50 square metres, and once again this quarter has 20 of those square metres planted into alfalfa, from which we've already taken one cut. And the other 30 metres are very tightly planted for maximum production. I've just harvested from here leeks. We've just taken out the last of the leeks and the celery and the parsley that overwintered, and I've cut them up and put them in the solar dryer so we can use them for broths through the summer. And I've now got kaipoi dried beans there, and behind that we have salsify, beetroot and carrots at various stages that will get us right through the summer and into the autumn. This bed here is our main crop potatoes, and the final bed we've just harvested our early crop potatoes, our yellow fir, and I've planted straight into that the climbing beans, our peas. There are some potatoes behind that, and behind that again a couple of metres of more dried beans. So this section has 30 square metres, 3 beds planted in roots and legumes. This is the roots and legumes section, and 20 square metres of it's permanently in alfalfa. So that's in the first week of December what it's looking like. We've harvested our early garlic. That's what was where those beans at the end of this bed have. That's what they're replacing. So we've harvested the early garlic, harvested the early potatoes, and immediately replaced them. That's that kind of organisation and planning that gets the really high production, together with making really good care of the compost and the nutrient maintenance.